So welcome to the LSBU Careers Hub. We are the centralised employability and placement service for the university. And it's our job to help you with your employment, your employability journey. And when we talk about those two words, employment's very simple. It's about a part-time job or a full-time job or a graduate job. It's all to do with gaining employment. And we have a whole bunch of services that we aim to get you into employment. And then the other one is about your employability, and that we have a whole bunch of services that are aimed at increasing your employability. And employability is anything that makes you or helps you become more employable. And those are things like having a great CV, being able to go for an interview, knowing the types of jobs that are out there, having a career plan, and being able to get work experience and have a placement. Those are all the things that make you employable. So those are the two services that we offer. And we've got the team here today that covers those different areas. So those are employment. So we've got our business development team who help to engage with employers and to connect you. We've got our placements team who help to organise experience and work experience for you, and to give you advice and tips on how to go about finding internships and placements. And then we have our employability consultants, and they can help you with all those skills that you need to go for interviews, to update your CV. And so those are the three main functions that we have. We're available online, and I'll put the links in the chat in a minute about where you can find us. And we're also in the student centre, and we are open at the moment from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So we've got a face-to-face service that you can pop in now. But all of our services in terms of one-to-one appointments or workshops are all available online. So what I'm going to do very quickly is show you our new landing page. And on that landing page, we'll show you how to access that service. So I'll just share the screen now. So hopefully everyone can see this. So this is the landing page, and I'll get Aaron to write in the chat what the web address for this is. So this is go.lsbu.ac.uk/careers hub, and this will take you to this. So this is our Careers Hub landing page. It's got a little bit of information about what we offer and our email address that you can see there. There's a video here which introduces the service and what we do. Another little video on how to go about booking an appointment, and then all the services that we offer. So to book an appointment, now the thing about this website is we use a bunch of different platforms for whether it be jobs, whether it be temporary vacancies, whether it be an appointment, whether it be our career resources. So this landing page will link you to different platforms, and some of those platforms you'll have to sign up to. The ones you'll already be signed up because you're an LSBU student, and you'll have a single sign-on. So you just put in your credentials that you would log in for any other LSBU function. And when you get to those landing pages will tell you what you need to do. So it's all very straightforward. But if you have any issues, you can always come back to us and email us at the email address up here, careershub@lsbu.ac.uk. So you can book an appointment. We have a jobs board where we have employers posting jobs. We offer temporary vacancies through our employment agency. We have a whole bunch of career resources, lots of events that we run. We've got a part-time jobs fair coming up next Wednesday, where we'll have employers offering part-time work. We run an engineering careers fair and a business and hospitality careers fair. And we've got huge amounts of different events, including pop-ups from employers. We have a really great tool called CV360, which uses applicant tracking software and gives you a 50-point check on your CV, and you can do that at 11 o'clock at night or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's all in your own time. Career Planner, which I talked about yesterday, is a 16 question questionnaire, which will then provide you with your own bespoke educational package to increase your employability. This is where you log your placements. This is where graduates can gain career resources. And then finally, we have an area for psychometric testing. So there's a whole bunch of different resources that we have on there. And one of the main ones will be booking an appointment. So very easy, you click on that. We've registered for this, which is our LSBU Careers Hub. You just go across to appointments, or this link is already taking you to appointments, and you just click on the appointment that you want, pick the time and the consultant that you want to have that appointment with, and then it will come up on your little taskbar there about whether it's pending, whether it's been accepted, and you can type in what you want to discuss in that appointment. So it's all very straightforward and easy. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. And what I'd like to do is to hand over to Chloe. And Chloe's one of our employability consultants, and she's going to talk a little bit about what we offer in terms of core functions from the Careers Hub. So I'll put my mute on, and I'll...
Hi, good to see me and hear me this time. Sorry, I was having a few problems last time. So I'm Chloe. I'm one of the employability consultants here at the Careers Hub, and we offer a variety of services, mainly one-to-one appointments. So you can come and see us for a varied amount of support. So we can give you help with interview skills. So if you think you may have an interview and you want us to prep you for it, we can actually deliver a mock interview for you as well. If you need help with your CV, basics, or building upon the CV that you already have, we can also support you with that. We can also give you support in just a general job search if you're not sure where to look, whether that be a graduate role, a placement, or a full-time role. We can also support you with, I'm just trying to think, there are so many things. I think I've covered everything. So even if you want to pop in and have a chat and you're not quite sure what you want to do and you just want to have a general careers conversation, you can just book an appointment with us and literally just have a chat for 30 minutes just to get some support. Anything employability related at all, you can come to us and we'll be able to offer you some support. And you can do that using the portal that Grant showed earlier. You can just book a one-to-one appointment. So there are a list of varied options that you can choose from. If you're not sure, just select a careers conversation and we'll start from there. So don't feel worried. Literally just come and see us, and I promise you we'll be able to offer you some support and get you on your journey to becoming as employable as possible. Thanks, Grant.
That's awesome. Thanks, Chloe. So I want to introduce Aaron now. So Aaron's our other employability consultant, and he can just introduce himself and talk a little bit about what he can offer as well.
Hopefully you can all see me. Hello, my name's Aaron. I'm the other employability consultant here at LSBU. So I work alongside Chloe, so I also offer one-to-one support, and we also offer a lot of workshops. At the moment, they're webinars, so we're delivering them remotely. So you can go on to Job Teaser, which is our online platform. You can just click on the events and you can find lots of different webinars that we have. So we have one looking at CVs and cover letters, and more broadly, you can think about applying that to applications in general. Interview skills, so if you have an interview coming up, if you want to just brush up on your interview technique, get booked in for that. We also have resilience. There's one on resilience, so that feels extremely important now given the current climate, and given the fact that we might be working in this way for quite a while. So resilience in relation to job hunting and any rejections you may face along the way. There's also a Myers-Briggs webinar, which looks at your personality type and your personality type in relation to the world of work and careers. So looking at your interests and your strengths and how that fits into the world of work, different environments you might want to work within. And then we also have a LinkedIn webinar, placements, and we're starting to pilot a volunteering webinar. So there's lots going on. Please do feel free to get booked in for any of those. If you go onto the events page on Job Teaser, you can find all the webinars coming up, and it's normally about one a week. Some of them run on a fortnightly basis, but there is lots going on. So please do get signed up to Job Teaser and then get booked onto some of those.
That's great. Thank you, Aaron. And so one of the other areas that we like to focus on at LSBU is placements. And we can only talk about the benefits of placements. We always recommend to students that you get some kind of relevant work experience while you're studying, and a placement or an internship is a fantastic way of doing that. So I'd like to introduce Hai Lee, and Hai will talk about his role and some of the benefits of placements too.
Hi everyone, my name is Hai Lee. So I am the placements advisor. Yeah, so obviously we do recommend to students, if you do have that option, to do a placement during your university years, as it does increase your chances of employment at the end, and it does give you the necessary skills and experience in the workplace. So my job is to support students, to support you with any placement related query. So I do also offer one-to-ones that's placement related, as well as offering one-to-ones to support you with your LinkedIn. So as Aaron said, we run workshops to do with placements. We also run workshops to support you with your LinkedIn. So we can show you how to make your profile, more, what's the word I'm looking for? Make your profile stand out better, and for you to network with employers on there. Yeah, so I also support you with the placement process. So if you do find a placement, there is an administration process that you would need to do. I can support you with that. And that's it. Yeah, so if there's anything obviously that you need regarding placements or LinkedIn, then I'm the person to support you with that. Thank you.
Great, thanks, Hai. And then finally, our last speaker is Rizwan Abu. And so Riz is one of our business development consultants. He's going to talk a little bit about what we do with employers to engage with and support the connections between students and employers. So welcome, Riz.
Hi, good morning, everybody. And for all the new students coming to LSBU, welcome to the university. I've got my LSBU Careers Hub jumper on today. So what do I do over here at LSBU? So I try to work with employers on your behalf. And the whole idea about that is to get as many interactions between you and the employers as possible. So you have a better understanding of, when it comes to industry, how to approach the interview. You've got a better understanding of the company culture. You've got a better understanding of the questions that may be asked, and really to get to know the employer as well. It's so important that before you start applying for opportunities, you really understand what the employer's demands are, what their needs are, what they're looking for in terms of a candidate. So my job function really is to bridge that gap between yourselves and the industry experts, to give you a better chance of applying for those opportunities. So what we do, myself and my colleague Isla, is we contact all the employers, we get them along to our career fairs, which take place throughout October. I think Grant's already mentioned what career fairs we're running over here at the university. And if you want any further details, just go on to our Careers Hub page. You'll be able to see all our careers job fairs and career fairs happening there. As well as that, we also run employability camps as well. So that's an opportunity to get that support from employers. So interview preparations, CV reviews, speed mock interviews, advice, information and guidance from employers, a whole range of support mechanisms put into place to help our students be more competitive when it comes to applying for those roles. So that's just a brief summary of what we do over here within the business development team. We do hope to see you at our career fairs, at some of our employability camps, and hope we can help you gain the success after you've graduated from LSBU, and also during your time at LSBU with a placement as well. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best.
That's great. Thanks, Riz. So there is an introduction to some of the members of the team. We have another business development consultant and someone else in the Careers Hub doing employability, also someone else in placements. Also within the business school, there is a team to help with careers. In nursing, there's a team as well. So there's different pockets of employability around the campus. So that gives you an idea, and in terms of a summary, we engage with employers and try to bring employers onto campus or virtually so you can engage with them about job opportunities, whether they be part-time, full-time, or graduate opportunities once you finish studying. We help to prepare you for those opportunities by making sure your CV's up to scratch, giving advice on LinkedIn profiles and interview skills and job hunting. And then we help with giving advice and guidance and support with placements, and where you can find internships and then how to log those internships on the university system. So that's our a summary of what we do at the Careers Hub. We're located, as I said, on the second floor of the student union of the student hub, which is where the Grads Cap is, and we're available online via that webpage that I showed you with all the different links, and that is go.lsbu.ac.uk/Careers Hub. So now I'll just open up to anyone who's got any questions, and we can answer a few questions, and then that's it for today. So is there any questions? So any questions, just throw them in the chat. Okay, so no questions today. So we'd just like to thank you for your time. We look forward to seeing you at the Careers Hub, and remember to go and visit go.lsbu.ac.uk/Careers Hub.